the wings of an owl enable it to fly in virtual silence. How? The feathers on the leading edge are serrated. One theory suggests that this helps break up the flow of air, reducing noise. Meanwhile, the trailing edge of the wing has a flexible fringe, further dispersing airflow. Nearly all remaining sound is then absorbed by the velvet-like feathers on the owl's wings. Scientists from Cambridge University are developing a coating mimicking this wing structure for use on wind turbines. Early tests show that the coating significantly increases blade speed and efficiency while drastically reducing noise. In the future, scientists hope similar coatings can be applied to a wide range of applications. So, what do you think? Did the owl's wing evolve? Or was it designed?